Hey guys, Matt Gunn here, RCGroups.com. You are looking at the Avios Grand Tundra from Hobbyking, and this is the flight demo video that we shot that goes along with the review that you'll see in the comments section below. Goes right over to RC Groups, and it'll give you everything that you need to know about this very utilitarian and rugged and cool looking tail dragger from the good people at Hobbyking. So take a look at it now with those flaps down. This plane flies very, very slowly, and with the vortex generators on the wings, flies with authority. So here we are doing a little loop. We got a 4S 5000 in this one. Now Hobbyking recommends a 4S 4000 up to a 6S 4000. And the 4S 5000 does very well. Lets it penetrate the air pretty well without getting bumped around too much. It does have a 17x8 prop and those massive Tundra tires with sprung landing gear, and it can absorb all sorts of rough landings, rough field takeoffs, things like that. I really do like this plane, and it has sort of rekindled my love of model aviation. You do this enough, you sort of get burned out and you're looking for something new, and I'm so glad that Hobbyking let me review this one, because I feel like I want to go out and fly this thing every single day. And you don't even have to find a very good field. You can fly it from pretty much anywhere that there is an open area, and that's all you need. So here we are doing some touch and goes. Just very light on the gear. I've got my friend CJ Corella who's flying it for me while I'm shooting, and he has good authority on the sticks and has no problem pushing this plane around. In fact, it's kind of a kitty cat in the air. It does fly like you would think a tail dragger with giant wheels does. It's not really designed for serious aerobatics, but it can do all the normal sport aerobatic goodies. Has really good climb rate on 4S with that big prop and 500 kV motor. Has no problem with just about unlimited vertical, and I'm sure it's a lot faster on the up legs with a 6S pack and the 16x8 prop that does come with it in case you want to use 6S. So here's CJ doing some loops to rolls and things like that, having a good time flying it. It does fly inverted pretty well, not a whole lot of down elevator that you have to hold, but it does hold it nice and well. So we had a lot of fun dropping it down onto the main gear, kind of flaring a few feet off the ground and then letting that sprung landing gear just absorb all of the energy. It was a lot of fun doing that. Here we go. I think we're going to do it right here. Maybe not. Nope, this is just a pass. Look how slow it flies with those flaps down. And you can actually dial more flap into it. I have them a little more than 45 degrees. And with those vortex generators, the ailerons have plenty of authority, and the plane flies extremely well. Alright, so we're going to drop it onto the gear here. I'm going to show you how well this landing gear, functional landing gear with rubber bands, actually performs. So here CJ's going to bring it in and flare it just about a foot off the ground and watch it just absorb it all. So that's the flight demo of the Avios Grand Tundra. You can head over to rcgroups.com to check out the full review. Thanks for watching.